So welcome back to my channel, guys. In case you have been trying to, register for your online TIN number, which is a tax verification number, and you are getting stuck on somewhere telling you that this is an invalid BVN number, you should check it, and you have maybe 3 attempts or 4 attempts remaining. So let me show you how you can fix this. It's just very simple. So right now I'm using my Google Chrome from my PC. You might be using Google Chrome from your mobile phone number. And for those who don't know how to initially do this, if you go to your Google Chrome, you just type in tin.jtb.gov.ng, and that is what you are seeing on my screen right now. So let me just hit on enter and load the website. So over here, you can see the website, and here you have a TIN verification portal. We have access TIN registration system. We have register TIN for non-individual and have register for TIN individual. And what I'm trying to register is for individual, because I'm not registering for non-individual, which is for company owners and the rest. So let's select this register TIN for individual, and over here you can see that we have our BVN space, date of birth space, the first name and the last name space. So, and also verify that you are not a robot. So let me quickly go ahead and insert my this BVN number and try to check if this BVN number is available for registration, and see if they will give me that invalid BVN option. So let's go. So let me impute my first name. Then over here, impute your last name, which is your surname. Then on putting this, make sure you check whether your BVN is correct, correspond with the one you have, and check your date of birth whether it corresponds with the one you have on your BVN. Then click on this check button. Let's check if they will give us that error. So you can see here they have validated this. So they just validated that this one is available. Do you know that the reason why it's like this? Some of you are making a mistake of maybe imputing your first name into your surname, or maybe adding 2 surname to your to your surname space. Let's do this again. Let me go back and show you something. You can see, let's click again for individual. Let me just try and do let me try this again. So let's select date of birth again. So then let me impute my first name again. Then over here, let me just quickly impute like two surnames. Look at what will happen now. Let me just purposely impute two surnames here. Just be watching what will happen. So, in case you are making this mistake from your end, kindly check well. The last name is your surname. The first name is your first name. The way it appears on your BVN or how you set it. So, let me impute two surnames here now and see what will happen. So, I'm done. So, let me verify. I'm done verify. You can see what I did here now. I input my first name, then over my last name, which is the surname, I input two names. Let's see what will happen here now. Do you see that? It is said invalid BVN details entered are incorrect. You have 2 attempts left before your request for this BVN gets blocked. So, whenever you are doing this, make sure that your last name, which is your surname, is correct the way it is on your BVN registration, and your first name is your first name on your BVN. You understand? Don't make a mistake of inputting two surnames on your last name, which is the surname, or come over here and input the names that is not available on your BVN, so you will not be getting this steadily, and you have limited attempts to go before they can block it. So always try to cross check this and make sure that everything is intact before you proceed. So that is it. So this is how you can simply fix this particular thing. Make sure that your first name is correct. Your surname is your surname. Don't impute two names, and you don't even impute two names on the first name if you don't have two names on your BVN. So to, make your verification or your registration more faster. So let me delete this name now. Then over here again, I will verify again. Then let me do another search. You can see it validate again, showing that this is the correct details I have on my BVN. So that is it. This is how you can fix your, invalid BVN or whatever that you may have over there. So in case you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe for us, and click on the notification button, click on the, thumb up button to get notified each time we publish a new videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, kindly drop them via my comment sections. Bye.